Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another special unboxing for you. So today I do have another Jeffree Star unboxing. Unfortunately, my shipping label was really like not wanting to come off this side, but I went ahead and I tore off all the packing tape around, and let's go ahead and take a look. Now some of y'all may be wondering, girl, you do a lot of Jeffree Star unboxings. These are all purchased with my own dollar. At this time I'm not affiliated, but I do hope one day to make it on their PR list. We do have, of course, the iconic tissue paper. It's pink with a light pink writing and the logo. And then I did get two things in this box. One we have here. Oh, I like the color change. So this one is the silver gray with, again, the pink writing. And if you can see there, platinum ice. Love that everything comes bubble wrapped on top of the tissue paper. So every time it's like Christmas, you just open them up. So let's go ahead and open up platinum ice. Ooh. Here's the box. I like the color. It's like this blue silver. Kind of like it has a texture to it. It's very, very nice. Platinum ice. I love the packaging. I love that it's really shiny. Really textured. It's just very highly reflective, which for a highlighter palette makes sense. It would be so shiny and reflective. That does actually have a plastic protector on there as well. You can see that? And then here is the highlighter palette. Woo! So shiny and gorgeous. Is the color Ice Cold. Let's go ahead and put it right here. Oh my god. I can't wait to highlight everything. Oh my god. I love being so shiny. Oh, the Glacier. So it's a bit more silvery. Maybe I didn't get a whole lot on there. Let me try again. I feel like Glacier, both of these are Glacier. I just wanted to try two different swatches. I feel like Glacier is a lot more subtle in person than the Ice Cold. It's just like this more of a light gray color. Lavender Snow. So it does have a more purple tone. And then we have the two Glacier swatches in the middle, and then Ice Cold is this green little number called Alien Ice. Let's get my finger nice and coated. Ooh. And Alien Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Pink Chill. I can definitely see the pink reflective in it. Ooh, that one would be nice for a very subtle tone in that Liquid Frost, but I'm really curious to try it out here. It's Canary Bling. Ooh, oh man. I think Canary Bling might be my favorite out of here. Oh no. Look at that though. See, like the alien one? I mean, it's green, but it's just not in your face green like some of the other highlighters. This one is definitely purple. This one just has that pink little tinge to it. It almost looks like just my natural skin color with a little pop in it. But this Canary Bling, so that was the first item in my box. I still have a whole other one to go. Oh my god. Ooh, so excited. It's wrapped in the same color as the other tissue paper, and we're gonna put this box aside. And this one isn't labeled like the other one. It just has a little simple Jeffree Star logo sticker, which is still, of course, gorgeous. Again, this one was wrapped in the pink bubble wrap. Everybody loves bubble wrap. The Northern Lights palette. So this one is a Supreme Frost Pro palette. So I got really excited because I do like the Supreme Frost. I was a big, well, I am still a big fan of the liquid frost, but I do feel like I go through them very, very quickly. So I wanted to try more of the powdered version. So I did take it out of the little flip box, and now, oh look, and it has, oh, the Aurora Borealis. It does have like the little slant and a little tab where I can pull. So this will be new to both of us. Actually, there we go. Okay. So, oh, okay, it's not a pull up, it's a pull down. Got it. So again, we have a very large mirror. I'm loving this mirror. Okay. There's a handprint right there. You see, it looks like someone just went, and that's weird. Okay. Well, the rest of it doesn't look used at all, so I think we're fine. Can I wipe off their handprint? They have some oily ass hands. Ew. Okay, so that smudge was their handprint. But doesn't look like it was damaged. This doesn't look like it's been used. I think we're good. Another 6 shade highlight. This one is the Alaska Ice, or Alaskan Ice. Go ahead and get my finger nice and coated. Ooh. Oh my god. They're so pretty. Ooh. That one definitely has some blues in it. Ooh, I like. Okay, okay. This one is thawed out. You can definitely see the blues in it. I feel like these ones are softer, but yet they're way more reflective. Like these ones would be like a good eyeshadow or more everyday, but these ones are just with the reflectiveness. And this one is below freezing. Brr, it's cold in here. And that is the top row here. So see, now I do like that these ones, instead of being indented in, it's actually raised up. I think those are really cool. Now let's go ahead and do the bottom row. First up, we have Frozen Cold. It's called Anchorage. Let's see how this one looks like. Ooh, hello bronze goddess, how you doing? Called Arctic Sky. And last but not least, I feel like Arctic Sky actually came on more purpley, like the lavender one over the 2 highlighter palettes. I am definitely leaning more toward the Northern Lights palette. I feel like they would be more versatile. These ones are really pretty, but I just have a hard time differentiating. I'm gonna recommend these, of course. Now, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna add on just a little bit more highlighter. Platinum Ice and the Northern Lights Pro Palette. I absolutely love both. I think they both have their own separate uses, but I am heavily leaning toward this Northern Lights palette as of now. Plus, I just love the packaging, the thick box with the angle opener, like, yes, hello. Alright guys, but if you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.